Is it possible to find high-quality clothes without breaking your bank in one of the most expensive cities in the world? Well, if you're open to the idea of wearing secondhand clothing from a thrift shop, then I think the answer is yes. There are several amazing thrift shops around Japan, but if you're in the center of Tokyo, make sure to check out Bingo Used Clothing located in Shibuya. It is the biggest thrift store in Shibuya and is famous especially among foreigners. They have a huge selection of both domestic and foreign brands, and the items are generally in great condition. Bingo Used Clothing not only sells clothes, but also other items such as watches, bags, wallets, shoes, and a lot more, including both cheap and high-end brands, so you can choose whichever fits your definition of affordable. For high-end brands, they may not be that cheap, but if you have those designer items that you've been eyeing for a long time, then Bingo could be your answered prayer. Also, Bingo in Shibuya both sells and buys clothing from customers. This means that if you have clothes that you don't want anymore, you could be making extra yen by selling those to them. Have fun thrifting and good luck!